and make us weak, but we become more victorious in Christ Jesus that we being part of His suffering. And that's very important to remind us, my friend, to be inspired, to continue to serve the Lord, to continue to look in Christ, to continue to pray, to continue to go forward, knowing that God will guide us and deliver us from any kind of perils, from any kind of danger, from any kind of suffering, from any kind of sickness, and delivered us and bless us in order us to succeed in life. That is the anchor of a person, of a man, of a woman who have faith in Christ. Don't lose hope. Don't give up. Put all your trust in God. As what